Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to scan documents and save them as a PDF on an iPhone. First, what you're going to do is go to your Notes app, open your notes and create a new note. After that, click on three dots over here. After that, click on this paper clip over here and click on Scan Document. And what you want to do is scan the document and click a picture of it. After that, you can open the file and you can select the text that you want to save, or simply click on tick over here. After your document has been saved, you can select. After your document have been saved, you can click on share and you can click on markup. After that, you want to click on three dots over here. After that, you want to click on this. After that, you want to click on share and you want to click on markup and simply click on this icon over here. After that, you can click on share option over here and click on. After that, you can simply click on this cross icon over here and click on save file to and click on the folder that you want to save. Click on save and you're done. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.